But like scoffing at us saying it cannot be Wagyu. It's too cheap to be Wagyu. Hi, I'm Daniel, I'm 25 this year. I'm the owner of Gyu Nami. We decided on one dish to ensure the quality of the food that we serve to our customers. Back then when I was in Japan, like 3 years back, this dish was relatively new. When I tried it in Japan, I was mind blown by it. And I realized that in Singapore, there's no other dish that was similar to it. I felt a sense of urgency to faster bring this dish into Singapore. We have a lot of doubters, especially when we just open. A lot of people like scoffing at us saying it cannot be Wagyu. It's too cheap to be Wagyu. I mean, like, there are different types of Wagyu, different breeds. Japan, Australia, and also even US, other countries. Of course, we did consider having the Japanese Wagyu or Kobe beef, but it's impossible to price it at such a cheap pricing in a hawker. So we opted for the Australian Wagyu beef. And also the quality was very good, and the marbling also, so we decided to go with the current supplier. Back then, I had a group of investors, we wanted to open up at the shop front. The investors were about to pump in a lot of money. So when investors pump in a lot of money, they will have a lot of say in the business. We don't want them to drive the direction of food in another way. We want it how we think it will work. So instead of finding people to own part of your business, might as well do it small. Open up the hawker and you can call your own. We were about to spend a lot of money already, so thank God we didn't. Hawker was a good start. When in a hawker, it's either the food is nice or it's bad. It's either they'll love you for it or they'll hate you for it, because they only remember you through that particular dish.